This is Module 5 of Rentwise, Taking Care of the Home. I'm Lorene Bartos, a Rentwise instructor, and I will be talking about taking care of your home today. Now, what's the next room that we really like to clean? The bathroom. So in the bathroom, what we want to look at is cleaning the toilet inside and out, and the wall behind it. The bathtub, showers, sink, mirrors, wiping down cabinets, because I don't know what you want to call it. Things fly, and so they will, like you brush your teeth, it gets on the cabinet or the wall. You need to wash those off. The wall behind the mirror. If you look from the side, you can see where there's hair product on there. Take some soapy water, some shampoo water, and wash it down. Along with washing walls throughout your house every once in a while. It's probably not a monthly task, but maybe once a year. And that's a lot, that's ambitious to do that, but it's something that needs to be done. And the other thing in the bathroom, or any room that has light fixtures that just has the bulbs there, that on the top catches dust, and if there's moisture, it gets cakey, and that can burn out the lights if that's left too long. So you want to do that when the lights have been off and it's cool, not when they're hot, because then they could break. Scrub the floor in the bathroom, any rugs. And one thing you might think about with rugs, if you're putting on linoleum, is the rubber-backed rugs will sometimes interact with the flooring and leave a mark of the rug. And that happens in kitchens and bathrooms, and there's nothing you can do to get that up. So that's something that you may have to be paying for flooring in that case. So I think the other thing is running the exhaust fan in the bathroom, which I mentioned earlier, for 20 minutes or until the mirror is clear. If you don't have a fan or a window, leave the door open so the moisture doesn't collect, because you will not get mold and mildew if you do not have excess moisture. Shower curtains are another thing. Pull them open when you're done. Don't push them to the side, because that's where the mold and mildew gets at the bottom. Think about these kinds of things. Good luck as you go on to renting your apartments, cleaning. Keep it up all the time you're living there. It'll be much easier when you move out. So good luck.